Apply argan oil to nails and cuticles and massage gently. It moisturizes and makes it softer. To create a shade look, mix a little argan oil with your liquid or cream foundation. The oil will alter the texture and gives long-lasting hydrated skin. Argan oil works best as a lip balm. Simply apply 1 drop of argan oil on lips and leave it overnight. It heals and makes it soft. Mix rose water and argan oil together and apply it on the skin. It soothes and acts as a light moisturizer. Take few drops of argan oil and mix it with sugar. Apply it as a scrub. It moisturizes the skin and makes it softer.